Yo guys, in this video I'm going to show you best ways to earn money online. So best way to make money online. So there has some ways the people and bloggers talk about lot of ways like ad clicking and freelancing. Some website will pay you something, some website will pay nothing. So you will not earn anything, but in here I am going to show you how to make passive income. Even if you are sleep, you will make money if you try to use those websites. So first one is YouTube. In YouTube you have to create good content, and you have to distribute it to world. So when you try to use YouTube, or when you create YouTube videos, try to target whole world. So if you target only your country, but if you in a small country and you only talk with your country language, you will not get lot of money, and you will not make stable, and you will not make passive income way. So always try to make videos for uh, English, and try to target whole world. That way you will make passive income way by YouTube. So next one is blogging. Blogging is another best way to make money, and if this whole method will take time. If you create blog, or if you create YouTube channel today, and you will not make money within 1 month, so it take time. But it worth to work on this kind of stuff, because that will help you to make sustainable and make passive income. So those are the it's better to take your time to those steps. So blogging is another best way to make online money. So I create video about how to get approved from AdSense. If you didn't watch that video, I will put link on the description. So in blogging you can make money by affiliate marketing and um, mainly AdSense. So when you grow some website with lot of users, definitely you will make sustainable income in blogging. So next one is Clickbank. Clickbank is another affiliate marketing website. So you can get link from get a promotional link from Clickbank, and you can promote it on your website or on your social media platform. So Clickbank is another proven method, so you will definitely make money on Clickbank, and this is another best way to make lot of money. So Clickbank is another one. And next one is Amazon affiliate or Amazon associate. In here this is same as Clickbank. You will promote Amazon product on your website or your YouTube channel, or any social network like uh, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, or something, some website like this. That day you will make money on in other words, you will make commission on Amazon. So this is another best way. Next one is dropshipping. Dropshipping is another best way, and you can dropship by create your own store, and you can dropship on eBay and Amazon. Amazon is not, I'm not sure you can dropship on Amazon, but you can dropship on eBay, and you can create your own website and buy stuff from AliExpress or some Chinese website. So this is another best way. Also you can dropship digital products. So I am not tried it, but I am going to try to drop shipping, or try to create a website that sell digital product. I will share my experience with you in my YouTube channel. So I didn't sell any digital products yet, but I will try it. Definitely I will try it. So dropshipping is another great way to make money. So thus all are required time and your 100% energy. So if you are commit to this, you will definitely make passive income. Also there is freelancing website like Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer. So I work Fiverr for 2 years and I get level 2. My account get level 2, and but I stopped it because a lot of Fiverr sellers has a low rate. So they are Fiverr buyers are looking for cheap, looking service for cheap price. So if you create logo for $5, but that logo may valuable for $200 or even $100, but they always come to cheap price. So a lot of guys create logo for design logo for $1, so not $1, $5. So that is not good, and you will not make any passive income on those kind of freelancing websites. So I don't like to freelancing. Also I don't like to add click and some random or some fake ways. Those 5 ways are best ways to make money. Also you can make money on Facebook, and also you can make money. How you can make money more? Mainly those are the best ways to make money. So if I got any other idea, yeah, you can make money by creating mobile apps or convert your website to mobile app. That is another way, because you can add mob to your app. So or you can create game app. So those are the best way, and those are proven way. Also I tried all of these method and I become success. Those are the only ways. If you try to click at do some random work, you will never become the person who you want to be. So this is today video. I hope you get some idea on this video. If you want this kind of videos, or if you want content like internet marketing and website creation, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, make sure to like it. If you dislike this video, just tell why you not like this video in comment section. So I will see you in next video. Bye bye.